to the Crowburger kitchen. I'm gonna work on a cocktail tonight, and tonight I'll be making you a Parisian. First you gotta gather your ingredients, of course. Dry vermouth, creme de cassis, gin, or lemon juice. So before we cut into it to juice the lemon, we're gonna wanna take a little bit of this with a garnish. Just gonna use a peeler. So you don't wanna go too deep into it, because you just want that outer peel. Second one, since we'll be making two. One for me and one for my lovely lady. There we go. And this is a very fine mesh sieve. This is the exciting part. I'm sorry, let me, I don't want to say it. Yeah. Sorry. I'm no Stanley Tucci. Gotta remember making two of these. Get your handy dandy cocktail shaker here. So you need an ounce. Usually you'll have half an ounce of lemon juice. Just doubling everything. Then for the creme de cassis, it's also half an ounce, so we'll be doing a full ounce for two. Onto the dry vermouth, that calls for an ounce, so we'll be bumping that up to 2 ounces. One. Nice dry gin. And again, an ounce of that, so we'll be bumping that up to 2. I forgot to do this, you should have done this at the start, but I forgot. You'll want to fill up your whatever cocktail glasses you're using, these are coupes, with ice to cool them down so the warmth of your hands doesn't warm up your drink too quickly. It'll keep it nice and cool and fresh. Very good, you can see the nice, fine, cool mist on the outside. Let's pour out the ice that's in here. Lovely. You want to give at least a little bit of a squeeze to get some of the nice citrus out of there. But you can also make it nice and fancy if you want. If you got a nice long strip, you can just kind of twist it like that. Get a little bit fancy to it. Hand one to the lovely wife. Here you go, my dear.
Thank you.
There we go. Got a very nice color to it, nice deep color. Perfect. Cheers. Enjoy.